Hey, Amar here with ZenMaid. Welcome to the software. I wanted to record a really quick video that shows you how to create your first recurring service in ZenMaid. And while doing that, I'm going to show you how to create your first new employee and your first new customer here quickly. So let's jump into it. New employees, really easy. You can get to this page. You can add a new employee on the left sidebar. All you're going to need to do is you're just going to put in their name. That's all that you actually need to do in order to create the employee or the cleaner. But you can also add in their phone number, which allows ZenMaid to send a SMS reminder for each of their appointments. You can add in their email address, which allows us to send them detailed email work orders. And you can actually give your cleaners a login so they can use the ZenMaid mobile apps, or they can log in on their computers and they can see only the information that they have been assigned to, only appointments that they have been assigned to. And then you're just going to click on Save Changes, and that'll be all. And you can also change the language. If you've got Spanish-speaking employees, you can set their language to Spanish, which is a new feature from ZenMaid here in 2020. So that is pretty cool. Next, you are going to create your first customer here in ZenMaid. For this, all you need to do is put in the name, and really other than that, you probably just need the address. But if you put in the phone number, we can send text reminders to your clients. If you put in your email address, we can send email reminders as well as follow-up emails and a variety of other things. So all you're going to do from here is you are just going to click on Save, and then you can head over to the calendar page for the creation of your very first recurring service. So we have 6 different calendar views, but this one that we're looking at right here is definitely the most common. So all you have to do is click anywhere on the calendar and drag the time to create the time block for the appointment. And then all that you're going to do is you are going to select the customer that you just created, select recurring, and just choose how often you want the recurring service to repeat here, and that's all. From there, you can put in the rest of the appointment details. You can also add in details about the customer on the actual customer creation page. I skipped over that there quickly, but it's quite simple to go in and do. You can also add custom fields to your employees. From there, you're just going to click on Create Appointment, and you're going to see a new weekly or bi-weekly appointment in your account, and that is how you get started with ZenMaid. So let me know if you have any other questions. Otherwise, keep an eye out for the next email from me in this series tomorrow. Thanks.